So let's see today's lovely recipe of Til Chikki. Now before I start, I'm going to just brush the top of or the bottom of two large thalis or large plates. Then in a pan, I'm going to roast 500 grams or half a kg of til, which is the polished til. Now we're going to roast this for at least 5 minutes, and you'll know that the sesame seeds or the til is ready because it starts popping or spluttering in the pan, and also it changes a color to a little bit of a light golden brown color. So set that aside, and in a heavy bottom pan I'm going to add 4 teaspoons of clarified butter or ghee, and to that I'm going to add 500 grams of this chikki gur, which is specially used to make til gur ladoos or any recipe with til in it. So you get this, it's available 12 months of the year. Just tell the general store person that you want to make, til gur ladus or, til chikki, and they'll give you this gur. Now we're going to check if this jaggery or gur is ready. We're just going to put about half a teaspoon in a bowl of water. And if you're able to form a ball like this, that means our gur or our jaggery is ready. So you can switch off the heat and just lower the vessel onto your platform, and to that we're going to add our roasted til, and we're going to mix this really well. Now I'm going to divide it into half and just put it at the on this greased plate or greased thali, and then I'm going to apply a little bit of ghee onto my rolling pin or latner and just roll it out and shape it up like this. So we have to work with it while it's still warm or while it's still hot. And then I'm going to take a sharp knife like this and just cut squares. It's very easy to work with it when it's in this, when it's very hot or warm like this. And then we're just going to let this cool for about an hour. And then, when you cool it for an hour and when you've greased the plates really well, these come off very easily, and our chikki is all ready. I just cut it up with a sharp knife, and it's it just sticks a little bit to the plate, so you have to just just loosen it up from the plate, but ensure that you've greased the plate very well. And that's it, friends. Your til chikki is all ready. So do try out this recipe. It's really delicious. Friends, I hope you liked today's recipe as well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshita's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye, and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshita saying bye. Take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.